Okay, welcome back everybody. In this episode, I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do to create that arrow. Um, well, to create that arrow, we have a start position, of course, and again a end position. So it looks like this basically. Um, there you go. We have a start position, and of course we want to have a end position where I'm gonna call it arrowhead um, is located. That's our arrowhead position. When we have these 2 points, we can already draw a line, so that's no problem. But how do we draw or calculate the positions which are here and here? Because we need a point here and a point here to draw a line between them. Yeah, for this, we first need to calculate the direction from this position to this position, and we're going to do that with arrowhead position minus start position. And then, well, these are the points we want to calculate, and this is the line we want to draw, and of course this line too. And to do that, we need that direction vector from this point to this point. We're going to normalize it, so it's just has a length of 1. And then we can subtract a certain length from that position down there. And then at this point, when we calculated this point using the subtraction, we can use the get normal function we created earlier to create a normal which is orthogonal of that long line here. And when we have that vector, that will be a direction vector. We can normalize this vector too, give it a certain length, and add this vector to this position, and then we get this point, basically. And when we have this point, we just need to draw from there to there, or the other way around. And that's basically it. Of course, for the other side, we need to do that too. Yeah, that's basically what we're going to do in the next episode. I just want to explain that a little bit better because in the code it can get a bit confusing. All right, see you when we're gonna implement that.